Hey, Jason. How you doing? How's everything going?
It's going better. It's a lot better. I've been doing everything that I'm supposed to do. I feel better, less irritated.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when I come here, I don't know what it is, but when I come here, I still get tensed up and I start to get irritable just sitting in that waiting room.
Yeah. So it sounds like in general you're doing better. Like at home you're less irritable and you're doing better. But then for some reason when you come here, it's just a trigger for you that you just get a little more irritable. But you haven't been having any of the big sort of confrontations, have you? With
I haven't been yelling at anyone.
Okay.
When I sit down and I wait there, I get tense.
Yeah, it's difficult for you.
Why.
Okay. Well, I wonder, sometimes when we have little triggers like that, sometimes you just need to find a way to distract yourself because it's like it sounds like it's a very uncomfortable sensation for you to be sitting out in the waiting room and it makes you irritable. Mm-hmm. So what could you do instead of sort of sitting and thinking about the fact that you're in the waiting room and you have to wait and you don't like waiting? Is there anything you could do that you could distract yourself with?
I like to play cards. I don't think I can play cards out in the,
Yeah,
in the
probably not.
Be a little bit more distracting.
Have a little poker area over there. No, okay. So, what could you do instead of playing cards?
Well, I've got my phone. I mean, I could always download. I guess I could download a card game.
You could.
That would bide my time.
Okay.
Maybe it would make the time pass, and I wouldn't be so irritable.
Yeah, that's a great idea. The other thing is too that sometimes I think, just giving yourself permission to think about something other than having to sit out in the waiting room. What could you think about?
I could think about, I don't know, the sermon I heard last Sunday in Mass. I could remember what the pastor said, and that could bide my time. And
does that help you?
Yeah, I feel better when I think about that.
Okay. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put these on a little index card for you. Because again, we kind of identified that coming to the clinic is a trigger for you. So coming to clinic, and then I'm going to put down these two options. So you basically were going to kind of download a card app or some type of game for your phone. And you're going to think about the sermon, right? Mm-hmm. And, I just want you to give yourself permission to kind of be distracted when you come out, because that waiting area, for whatever reason, we don't even need to know why, for whatever reason it's difficult for you to be there. Yeah. So why don't you take these things, and then the next time you come in, really, try to do those, with a sense of, volition that you're going to make an effort to do those things. And then we'll just sort of see, how you do.
Okay.
And I'm around, so you let me know how it goes, okay?
All right. That sounds great. Thank you.